If you're like me and you love products that save you time, hassle, money, and a potential call to the insurance company, then you're going to want to pick one of these up. This right here is a water leak detector. Every home, every RV, every boat, everywhere that you don't want water should have one of these. Because the moment that it senses water, it's going to trigger you an alarm on your phone with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and there's no subscription service. That's a plus. It's going to give you the peace of mind of knowing, hey, I got water where I shouldn't have water. How many times have you heard, or if you're specifically a full-time RVer like me, that water damage was the culprit? This trailer that I'm renting out right now, the whole back area could have been saved if one of these was installed. I'm living proof because this little gadget right here was not being used. Again, let me show you how it works. All right, right out of the box, it comes with this little opener. Now you can use this, or if down the road you forget to keep this, it's just a pry tool, right? You can just get in there with a putty knife or anything to use that. And it's really, really easy to open. This is nice to have, not a must have. And then it gives you batteries, gives you a couple AAA batteries for each of the units. You're gonna open these up and you're gonna slap them in. Battery operator is nice, so you don't have to worry about, hey, the charge is dead, I gotta pull it out, recharge it. No, it's always going. You don't have to worry about it getting charged. Batteries is really appropriate here, and that's how loud it is. All right. Really quick, just to close it back up, you're just gonna make sure these little four are matched to these four, and there's a little bit of an indentation there. You just simply just close it back up. All right, through the process of trial and error, there is a line right on here. Not sure if you can see that, but there's a line right here. You can feel it right there where my thumb is, and then there's a line on here. So those two lines need to match up. So we're gonna do that, and then once they match up like that, should just clamp down. So how this works is, if you have it in an area, now who's gonna leave it in the sink? Nobody, but this is for practice. You leave it here, you have that, you're gonna make sure that this is turned on. So we should be turned on. Yeah, we got power here. And let me see, you may need to sync them. Let's give this a little bit of a test here. All right, so I'm gonna put it right here in this corner. Now this is all by itself. It's not synced to my app. It's not gonna notify me. I'm just testing it right out of the box. And if water starts to fill up, let's say you get a pipe burst, see how it goes red, and boom. All right, the reason why I did that is I didn't connect it to the hub. I didn't connect it to anything. Just put batteries in it. It's gonna work like that just out of batteries. So if you have it in an area, all you need is batteries and it's gonna work. If you are out and about, like in a trailer, like you're gonna need to hook it up to the hub, you're gonna need to hook it up to your app, and it's gonna yell at you, hey, there's water where there shouldn't be. So if you stick this in a basement, you can't hear it. If you stick this in a crawl space where, like a storage area outside in your trailer and you can't hear it, you're gonna wanna sync this up to Bluetooth, to Wi-Fi, and it notifies you on your phone straight away. That's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be installing all three of these in this trailer here. So if we're out and about, we'll get that notification, hey, there's something wrong, and we can come back and take care of it right away, or call somebody, hey, can you shut my water off before the damage gets any worse? Again, if you have a boat, an RV, a home, anything that you need protection for, you're gonna want one of these, and it works perfect for home protection for sure.